Students, today our book is Top Line Grip on Mathematics of class 4, and our question and page number is 5 and question number is 2. Write whether the numbers are even or odd without actual division. We don't have to divide these numbers, but we have to tell that is these numbers are even or odd. Let's start our work. The first question is 565. We have to tell that is this number is even or odd. How we can tell? Without the actual division. In our previous question, we have divided these number with 2. If the remainder is 0, then the number is even. If the remainder is not 0, then the number is odd. But here they can say that don't use actual division. So we can write 565 and we can see the last digit. Is 5 is divisible with 2? Is 5 comes in a table of 2? No. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 5 doesn't come in the table of 2, so it is an odd number. For our confirmation, we can divide 565 with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, the remainder 5, 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 1. So it is an odd number. Let's move to our question number B. 430. 430. The last number is not an even, not an odd. So this number lies in even number. For confirmation and cross check, you can divide this number with 2. C is 774. As the 4 digit comes in the table of 2, so it is an even. Let's move towards next. D. 1997. 1997. 1997. The last number is odd. This number is odd because this number doesn't come in the table of 2, so it is an odd number. E. 2016. 2016. The digit 6 comes in a table of 2, and also 6 is also itself is an even number, so this whole number is an even. F. 8379. 8379. The 9 is an odd number, so this whole number is an odd. G. 6173. As we can see that 3 is an odd number, so this all is an odd number. 5328. 8 is an even number. Yes, because it comes in a table of 2. So this whole number is even. 3166. 3166. 6 is an even, so it is even. J. 900. 0 is not an even and not an odd number, so this number is an even. For your confirmation, you have to divide this with 2. K. 7651. Solve. 7651. 1. You have to tell me that is the digit 1 comes in a table of 2? No, because 2's table start with 2. 2 1s are 2. So it is an odd. L. 4532. The 2 is an even number, so even. M. 8 is an even number, so this whole number is an even. And 3 is an odd. O is 8, 5, 9, 6. 6 is an even, and this is even. Okay, so this is the ending of our question. Over page number 5 is completed. I hope that you have learned Roman numbers. I can assign you this task in my previous video. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.